Hello students, in last class we had completed exercise 4.7 of chapter 4. Today we will start with unitary method. Okay, what is unitary method? Unitary represents for unit, means 1. In this method, if the cost is given, we will find the cost of one article, and after that we can find the cost of many such articles. Suppose if the cost of a pen is 15 rupees, you can find the cost of 5 pens with the help. So if the cost of one pen is 15 rupees, the cost of 5 pens is 75 rupees. So in this exercise, first we will find the cost of one article, then we will find the cost of other required articles. Okay, now before starting exercise 4.8, let us take another example. Suppose if you go to market to buy apples, you ask the fruit seller about the rate of apples. What he will say about the rate? He will say apples 120 रुपए kilo, means 120 rupees per kg. What is the meaning of that? Means the cost of 1 kg of apple is 120 rupees. So if you know the cost of 1 kg of apple, you can find the cost of 5 kg of apples, 6 kg of apples as required. Okay, it is not necessary to find the cost in every question. It is as per question's requirement. Suppose in this example 3, in this question, the distance is given covered by car in 5 hours. Then we will find the distance covered by car in 1 hour, means for 1 unit, for 1 hour. The important thing is we have to find for 1 unit, means for 1. Okay, now exercise 4.8, first question. A maths test paper has 10 questions and the total marks are 100. If Ritu answers 6 questions correctly, how many marks will she get? Okay, now first, total marks for 10 questions is 100. Okay, 100 marks for 10 questions. Now first step, marks for one question. Now to find the marks for one question, what we have to do? We have to divide the total marks by the total questions. Okay, means 10. This 10 comes here in with division. Okay, now we will divide this total marks by number of questions. Then we will get the marks of one question, means 10. Okay, now to find the marks of 6 question, we have to multiply by 6, and the marks for one question means 10, that is 60 marks. Hence Ritu will get 60 marks. Okay, question number 2. Ravi painted 48 meter of a fence in 6 days. How much did he paint in the first 4 days? Now the fence painted by Ravi in 6 days is 48 meter. Now we have to find the fence painted by Ravi in 1 day. Then we will find for 4 days. Okay, fence painted in 6 days is 48 meter. Fence painted in 1 day is, now we will divide this by 6. 48 divided by 6 means 8 meter. Okay, now fence painted in 4 days. What we have to find is in 4 days. Now to find in 4 days, we have to multiply 8 by 4. 8 into 4 is equals to 32. So Ravi painted 32 meter in 4 days. Okay, now you will try the third part with yourself. Now solve the B part, solve the story sums. First, 5 liters of oil cost 505 rupees. Find the cost of 300 liters of oil. Now first write the cost of 5 liters of oil, which is 505 rupees. Okay. Now first we will find the cost of 1 liter. Okay. 1 liter, 4 means 4 unit. Unit represent for 1. Okay. Cost of 1 liter of oil. So what we will do? We will divide 505 by 5. This 5 comes here with division. Okay. Now 505 divided by 5 is equals to 101. Means the cost of 1 liter of oil is 101 rupees. Now to find the 3 liter of cost of 3 liters of oil, we will multiply 3 by the cost of 1 liter of oil. So the cost is 303 rupees. Okay. Now question number 2. The train fare from Chennai to Mumbai for 6 persons is 900 rupees. What is the fare for 4 persons? Here the fare is given for 6 persons, which is 900. First we will find the fare for 1 person, then we will multiply that cost by 4 to find the fare of 4 persons. Okay. Fare for 6 person is 900. Fare for 1 person, in first step we will divide 900 by 6. 900 divided by 6 is equals to 150. Now to find the fare of 4 person, we will multiply this fare by 4. 4 into 150 is equals to 600. Okay. Always remember, first we have to divide, then we have to multiply. Okay. First divide, then multiply. Question number 5. 9 kg of potatoes cost 72 rupees. How much will Mrs. Boss pay if she wants only 7 kg of potatoes? The cost of 9 kg of potatoes is 72 rupees. First find the cost of 1 kg of potato. So first we will divide 72 by 9, which is 8. Means cost of 1 kg of potato is 8 rupees. Now if you know the cost of 1 kg, you can find the cost of 7 kg of potatoes. We have to multiply 8 by 7 to find the cost, which is 56 rupees. Okay. Same you can do the question number 8. Bags of rice carried by 15 trucks, 3000. First find the bags carried by 1 truck, which is 3000 divided by 15. First we will divide, which is 200. Now you can find the number of bags carried by 8 trucks. So multiply 200 by 8, which is 1600. Okay. This is the answer. Now you will do the remaining parts with yourself. You have to do all 10 questions of this exercise. Okay. Thank you.